Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nida. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, please follow, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today our topic is opportunity cost. Production possibility curves. PPC is a model used to demonstrate opportunity cost. Is it diagrams various combination of goods, services an economy can produce when all productive resources are employed. Production possibility curves. Economics involves choice since limited resources means that there will be a limited output. A PPC will show that as trade offs are made, sacrifice or opportunity costs are incurred. Opportunity cost is defined as the value of the next best alternative. So, opportunity cost measures the sacrifice we make when we are forced to make choice due to scarcity. Production possibility curves. Choice A, B, C, D. Shoes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Robots 10, 9, 7, 4, 0. Using data given in the table, an economy that produced shoes and robots will have to make choices. Points on the curve attainable and efficient with these resources. Points inside curve inefficient. Point outside curve unattainable. The concave shape of the curve implies the fact that economic resources are not completely adaptable. This curved line shows the degree of adaptability and increasing opportunity cost. A straight line would mean constant opportunity cost. The macroeconomic statistics of the Great Depression and the mobilization planning of WW offer two major events of the 20th century that can be used to demonstrate production possibility curves. Great Depression 1929 to 1933. Real GDP fell from 29% from 1923 to 1933. Real investment fell by 83.6% from 1923 to 1933. Commercial and industrial construction fell 85% by 1933. Industrial production fell 47% below normal by 1932. Foreign export trade fell by 3.63 B by 1932. Unemployment rate rose from 3.2% in 1923 to 25.2% in 1933. The number of employed workers dropped from 97.5 m in 1923 to 65.9 m in 1933. Payrolls between 1929 and 1933 declined 56%. Farmers' gross income fell 57% by 1932. Great Depression 1929 to 1933. What do these statistics mean in terms of the production possibility curve, reduced use of resources, land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, reduced income to purchase wants and needs, reduced set of goods and services? The US economy in the 1920s was producing close to PPC. Many consumer goods and a fair amount of capital goods were produced. By 1933, we were using only a fraction of our productive resources. Consumer goods and capital goods production was very low. By 1933, the US was operating well inside the production possibility curve. Another problem of the Great Depression was that some resources were idled for so long that they could not be retrieved and used again. We lost some of our resources forever. Between 1939 and 1941, industrial production doubled with consumer goods rising 25%. The federal government spent $16 B to convert existing and built new production facilities. Production of new machinery quadrupled by 1942. Transportation equipment production, automotive, aircraft, railroad, and ships jumped by 7 times by 1944. Material shortage, aluminium, iron, rubber, gas, and oil were overcome by scrap recovery, new discoveries of minerals, and greater productive capacity. Between 1940 and 1945, the labor forces increased 20%, even though 20 men and women entered the armed forces. The number of women working increased by 5 with women factory workers doubling between 1939 and 1944. On average, the number of hours in the work week increased by 20%. The War Production Board said that productivity output per man hour climbed sharply as volume increased, manufacturing methods improved, and workers responded to appeals to move the munition to the fighting front faster and faster. At the end, please follow, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.